Hey crypto enthusiasm, today we are diving into the Chaos Labs airdrop, a golden opportunity for early adapters. It has great backers and also a high level of fundraising. Why we should care about fundraising? Because funding and fundraising in the crypto space, especially in the airdrops, shows the project credibility. When a project has successfully raised capital from reputable investors, it demonstrates that experienced backers believed in the team. Okay, we will talk about the backers and also the fundraising on this project is about $79 million. Okay, this shows that project is credible and the project is believable because the backers have believed in the project and has demonstrated their belief by funding $79 million in the Chaos Labs. So Chaos Labs is a cutting-edge platform specializing in automated economic security for DeFi protocol. So about the backers, first one is the Hashkey Capital and Galaxy, it's Tier 1, and also Coinbase Ventures. So it has 45 backers and fundraisers, but the best are Galaxy Digital, Coinbase Ventures, and Hashkey Capital. Let's go and see how we can participate in this great airdrop. First of all, you need to come to this page, okay, chaoslabs.xyz, and that I'm providing the link in the description. You can click on the link and join, and here you just enter your email address and then you hit the continue button. It then sends you a code into your Gmail inbox, and you just copy this and paste it in the part that it has provided for you, and then you hit the continue. After that, you can easily sign in into the website, and don't forget to connect your wallet. It pops up a message and you confirm it, and that's all. So when you click on your profile, you can see your email address and also the wallet address. It's really important to see them both, and it shows that you are qualified as the whitelist member. And when the airdrop starts in the testnet phase, we will inform you, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, so I will inform you in the testnet phase starts. And don't forget that participating in the Chaos Labs airdrop is a fantastic way to get involved with a promising project at the forefront of DeFi security. Remember, since it's in the testnet phase, tokens hold no real-world value, but can position you for future rewards. I will inform you that when the testnet starts, and it will give you the opportunity to be among the early adapters. And participating now in the whitelist allows you to experience the platform firsthand and potentially benefit when it transitions to mainnet. So see you guys and bye-bye.